good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching this program. My name is Dr. Hafiz Abolade, the son of Aramide. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please don't just watch this program and leave. Share it. Let's save someone's life. Share this program. Drop your comments and like it. If you are subscribed, make sure you turn on your notification bell. Whenever I upload to this channel, you will be the first person to watch my program. In today's program, I want to share how to treat heart disease. Is what I would like to share with you people today. If you have heart disease or someone has it around you, this is what you will do. Go and look for Gabon viper snake, Gabon viper head, Gabon viper head, and cuttlefish bone. You can get it where they sell herbal items. Cuttlefish bone and this root. We call this root Ogun root. Go and look for it. And bang root with Ojomodiro root. Pack all these items inside one mortar. Pound it, dry it under the sun. If you are watching this program, please don't forget to share this program. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to comment. Please don't keep this information to yourself. Tell someone to tell someone. It will save someone's life. Kindly make sure you share this program. Drop your comments and like it. You can also follow me on my Facebook page, Dr. Hafiz Abolade TV. You can follow me on TikTok. You can follow me on IG, Dr. Hafiz Abolade. If you are interested in our products, we have all kinds of apps such as Scuba. This Scuba is effective for manpower, increase energy of the body, and prostate cancer app and infection, and so on and so forth. Wherever you are, you receive your package. If you are watching this program for the first time, please don't just watch this program and leave. Please help me share this program to your friend. Share it to your family. Let's help ourselves. Video go viral, please. Let's save someone's life. Pound it, dry it under the sun. These roots, Yoruba call this roots Akogun roots. Akogun roots, bang roots, Ojomodiro roots, Gabon viper head, and pound it together, dry it under the sun, then grind it, let it turn to powder. Use water to filter it. If you want to use this powder, if you have heart problem, heart disease, or someone has it around you, use this powder to drink or hot tea. That is it. Drink it every day. It's small, but it's mighty. For more video, please subscribe.